Hello Katekis! Ayan na nga, finally na-unpack na ang panibagong Samsung Galaxy S26 series this year 2026. And yes, this time kasama din ang Galaxy Buds 4 series na nirelease nila ngayon. At ito nga ang 5 bagay na nagustuhan ko dito sa bagong Galaxy S26 series ngayon. At yes, obviously nangunguna nga rito ang kanilang design. Mas refined na siya and purposeful. Slimmest ever, light, armor aluminum na rin siya. And mas durable yung screen kasi Corning Gorilla Armor 2 na rin. At marami ka na ring choices of color kasi meron na siyang white color, may black, and sky blue. Pangalawang nagustuhan ko rin dito is Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 na rin siya for Galaxy. It is the fastest mobile CPU to date. And yes, super fast charging na rin siya kasi may super fast charging 3.0 na rin siya from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes. Pang-apat na bagay na nagustuhan ko dito is may privacy display na siya. Yes, it is first of its kind. So yes, you don't have to purchase another tempered glass na may privacy display kasi dito mismo sa phone na to, may built-in privacy display na siya. So yes, you can view your phone display with your eyes only while blocking others around you from seeing your phone screen with its limited side angle visibility. And yes, you can also enable or disable it. O diba, may choice ka. Now, pang-5 bagay na nagustuhan ko dito is the camera itself. Yes, may telephoto lens na po siya. 50MP, 37% brighter, and may 200MP wide angle lens na rin siya. And 47% brighter na rin siya. And you can obviously see here the performance of it as we compare it to Brand X. Nakapareho lang yun ang presyo. Look at the performance. Mas vibrant, mas clear, and yes, mas detailed din siya. Partida low light pa yan. Saan na lang ito dalahin? Anyway, isa lang yun sa mga best features ng device na to. Marami pa talaga kayong madidiscover dito like the super steady video niya. And yes, the Galaxy AI, easy and effortless AI experience, at marami pang iba. Now, for the price, yung cheapest is yung S26 na 256GB, 58,990. And yes, the Ultra naman na may 1TB is 121,990. And yes, as what I have said a while ago, my Galaxy Buds 4 series na rin sila. Mas refined yung design, mas immersive yung audio, may adaptive controls na rin siya, and of course, may Galaxy AI integration na rin siya. Yes, for better experience, plus etong kanyang premium metal design. So, it is sleek and secure as well. Yes guys, available na rin siya for pre-order. So don't miss the freebies and discounts. So what you think guys? Sulit nga ba? Comment down below. Like and follow for more.